Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSN Cards coming back at you once again with a 2-box break. 2011 Topps Inception and then '08 Premier. We've had some pretty good luck with the Inception. Let's see if we can keep it rolling. One pack. Good luck. We have no really thick cards. There's 3 thick cards, but they're not crazy thick. And I'll put a decoy. Alright, first off, we have a base of Michael Turner for the Falcons. Let me move this up a little. Next base will be James Harrelson for the Steelers. Out of 209, Zach Miller for the Raiders. That's nice. For the Redskins, another random will do. Number 2 out of 25, base, Santana Moss. The red background. Or the ruby, I guess you can call it. Nice random. Nice patch there. For the Cowboys, we have a DeMarco Murray, numbered out of 599. We have a 3-color patch autograph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breaks. 5 breaks for the Cowboys. Two cards left. Next card, another patch autograph. It's going to be a 1-color patch autograph for the Vikings. Second hit of the break, Herpy. This one's numbered out of 399. Kyle Rudolph. Kyle Rudolph. 1-color patch auto. And 1 card left. It will be numbered out of 25. It's going to be a 2-color patch for the 49ers, Emerald, 2 out of 25 of Kendall Hunter. And there's red in the corner there. You can see there's red and then black. So, solid box, 2 patch autographs and a patch out of 25 along with the base parallel out of 25. Not too shabby. '08 Premier time. Box number 02. Let's look for some Derek Jeter autos, maybe. Final box of the break. Thanks again for everyone who joined. My final breaks will be Sunday, like I said, 7 o'clock Eastern time. I will probably have 3 breaks. Let me not peek at the back. Alright. Numbered out of 99 for the Panthers, we have a Steve Smith base. And next up will be numbered out of 275, rookie auto for the Texans. Quad jersey rookie auto of Steve Slayton. It's weird, like right by the S, right over here, there's a pen mark on it. I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up. There it is a little bit. But Steve Slayton. Quad jersey auto. Next will be the manufactured. It's going to be a nice manufactured, and it is going to be another random. Number 21 out of 30. What is this, our 4th random now? It's a pretty nice coaster of Joe Theismann.
Hey Wade, I have a young man, 125 for the PS3, and we got a digital hammer for 30. Is that right?
Joe Theismann. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards left. This will be the patch card, hopefully. And it's going to be a 1-color jersey, 3-color patch, numbered out of 65 for the Cowboys of DeMarcus Ware. Jersey, 3-color patch. Next will be an autograph. And it's going to go to the Falcons. Numbered out of 199 of Chevy Jackson. Rookie signatures. Next card. It's going to be numbered out of 35. That's pretty nice. Little ding on the bottom. Numbered 34 out of 35 for the Chiefs, Larry Johnson. Chiefs again. Chiefs are tearing up this break. And final card will be a patch. It's going to be numbered out of 65, jersey and patch. It's going to be for the Eagles, going by the logos on the back. Asante Samuel for the Eagles. He is in a Patriots uniform, but I'll show you the logo, Eagles. So there it is, the break. Not the best box of Premier. Nice box of Inception, though. That is the break. I hope everyone enjoyed. GSN Cards is out.